meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
I don't get to be on this show very often, so now that I have the chance, my grandmother, Meme, at the East Bay Manor in East Providence, a huge fan of yours and Elizabeth's, nice. Of course, and Vince's in this new newscast. She's 100 years old, so hi, Meme.
Hi, Meme.
Michelle says hi, so does Elizabeth.
And her sister is?
Ida. She'll be 102 in March.
Now that's impressive.
And they don't live together.
No.
They can't. It just wouldn't work out.
Hey, sisters are sisters for life, right?
Yes.
As long as that life may be.
That's a 1-2 punch, sister style, and you've got one too, right?
Yeah, a lot of weather to talk about. We're going to go right down to it because, you know, we have two storm systems. I think what you're going to remember most about them when they all move on is the amount of rain that they bring more than anything else. In fact, already seeing that mixture and transition to rain across much of our area. But one of the bonuses to having weather spotters is that they can tell us that, hey, you know, even though the radar right here is showing rain, there's some snow mixing in. And that's what we got out of one of our weather spotters in Cumberland. Even Westport, some light flurries being reported. So kind of off and on rain and snow showers this afternoon. Heavier, and so going to be mostly rain, will arrive tonight into Wednesday morning. And that's just storm system number one. And we may pick up more than an inch of rain by the time that all moves through in spots. The second storm system's for Thursday and Friday, and that one could bring a soaking rain with it as well as some wintry precipitation in terms of both snow and some sleet. But live city cam, a real dreary day, a lot of bulky gray clouds out and occasionally some rain and snow moving through. 38 degrees. We've been in a slow climb into the upper 30s all day, and those easterly winds picking up at 12 miles per hour. We're right at 40 East Bay Manor in East Providence, 39 Bank Newport, 38 at the Coast Guard House. You know, with temperatures this mild and with the pavement warm after the last couple of fairly mild days, even if we do see snow and sleet falling through the afternoon at spots, we aren't expecting much in the way of accumulations. In fact, little to no accumulation. Jim in West Warwick this morning had a dusting on the grass, 38 degrees. Kelly in Westport reporting a few flurries. She says it's real damp outside. And Brad in Cumberland reporting some moderate rain and snow at 38 degrees. Here's satellite and radar, and the heaviest of the action stays to our west through the daytime today, but we are getting in on some of these, you know, intermittent rain and snow showers, and that will continue this afternoon and early this evening. But the steadiest and heaviest of it happens as this low pressure slowly creeps closer to us tonight and into tomorrow morning, and it'll eventually pass almost directly overhead. I think our Futurecast today really does a great job detailing the steadier rainfall moving in. At 2 o'clock this afternoon, showing, you know, just occasional light stuff. The best chances would be southern and western Rhode Island. And then 8 o'clock this evening, notice this area of pink still stretching into our higher elevations north and west of Providence. And even through the overnight hours, we may continue to see a rain and snow mixture there, where it should be mostly rain for Providence and points south and east. And notice as we head into the morning commute tomorrow, this is 6 o'clock in the morning, we're talking about some steadier and heavier rainfall moving in and a good soaking expected through at least the first half of the day on Wednesday. It may wind down late in the day and evening for a time. This afternoon, then, just periods of rain, some spotty snow and sleet mixing in at times, about 35 to 39 for your high temperature. Some spots coming in close to 40. I've got us right at 40 in Newport, about 38 in Coventry. Northern suburbs, you'll see some rain and snow showers with little to no accumulation, though, about 36 in Foster Center. In southeastern Massachusetts, a few light showers, about 40 in Hyannis. It's been dry most of the day over eastern Mass, and that may continue until this evening and tonight. For this evening, rain and snow showers. Overnight tonight, periods of rain. Some snow, though, possible northwest Rhode Island, a temperature staying close to 35. Soaking rains for Wednesday through about 2 or 3 in the afternoon. Then it may wind down a little bit, and that's storm system number 1 finishing up. Slushy coating there, where we see a little bit of that snow mixing in. Higher elevations north and west. If we do see a brief burst of snow tonight, you may pick up a quick inch or 2, but we're just talking light stuff. Storm number 2, it may even travel further west of us. That's going to tap into some warm air. It's going to be a pretty intense storm, so it is worth watching, but I'm looking at rain and wind for us. May taper off as snow on Friday with the lingering snow shower on Saturday. Right now, we should see at least a little bit of sunshine returning for a portion of the weekend.
All right, and a very